Greetings to all. Now this is the same sum as we have done extra sum number 5 and extra sum number 6. But under this sum there are some of the items which are reflecting as advance of creditors and payment to creditors. So that is to be now understood first. So in the sum you will see calculate the amount of that will be posting income and expenditure for the year ended on 31st March 2020. Stock of stationery. So this is opening stock. You are very much aware. Then comes your creditors on 1/4. So that is opening creditors, right? Then comes your advance paid for stationery carry forward from the year 31st March 2019. Now this is the item. This is a new thing you have come across. So this is what advance paid for stationery carry forward for the 31st March. So this is what advance of the previous year. So advance of previous year means asset of previous year. Advance of previous year for this coming year. So this is advance of previous year. So it was carrying which balance? Debit balance. So when there is a opening advance, then it will be transferred to the debit side of creditors account. And amount paid to stationery during the years, this is a payment which were made of stationery. Then stock of stationery, this is closing stock of stationery. You are very much aware now. And creditors also, so again creditors is also closing stock of stationery. So respect to this, all items you are through with this, but there are two new items which are there, and that is now last one, advance paid for stationery. So when you are paying advance for stationery, it will have a credit balance in the creditors. So this will be having a debit balance in creditors and this will be having a credit balance in the creditors. So first, again same, first we have to draw format of creditors as usual, what we have prepared in such kind of sums. So switching towards that, first we will draw creditors account. So in creditors account, very first transfer as usual, balance brought down 20,000, closing creditors transfer 13,000. Now there is payment to creditors is also there, to the cash oblique bank 1,08,000. Now under this, advance to creditors, so previous year they had paid some advance. Here look at this advance 2,000, which I highlighted as a debit side of creditors. Transfer that to debit side. And advance for creditors current year 3,000, so transfer that to advance to creditors credit side 3,000. And now doing this, we will get difference, and that difference will be termed as usual our purchases. So looking at this, the question mark what you will find is 1 lakh purchases, that is credit purchase, because doing the total of this minus these two items, you will get 1 lakh as a credit purchase. It's not that much complex. Only thing is, first thing you have to transfer is opening balance as usual, closing balance as usual, and payment. This much is transfer. Now you have to highlight on the advance item. So advance, what is given in the sum, that I have transferred, that is advance to creditors, that is this much, and advance to creditors current year this much, that is transfer. So whatever difference you will get finally is your purchases, and they will be termed as credit purchase, or you can say normal purchase, means when there is no cash purchase, so we treat as a purchase only. So 1 lakh rupees. Now switching towards the sum, that is transfer this to income and expenditure. So income and expenditure is already drawn opening stock 30,000, which we had highlighted from the question, plus purchase of 1 lakh, I am transferring that, and less closing stock. So closing stock 5,000 is available in the sum. So final answer 1,25,000 will be transferred. So this way your sums respect to this will be completed. Now for more practice sum, you can go to your textbook page number 30. In that, do it yourself. Sum number 1 and sum number 2 is available. It's same pattern of sums are there, so you can do it very easily. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.